Okay. Hello everyone, hi, Oyinka here. Today I'll be talking about a product that I find super duper interesting. I'll be trying the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. It's a face mask, but it can also be used as a primer, supposedly, allegedly. I'm so excited to try this out. I'll be using it as a primer. I'll be keeping it on for just a few hours just to see how it feels, how it wears and everything. So I'm going to be trying this for the first time and I'm so excited. Love supporting entrepreneurs. I love supporting women. I love supporting women of color, but I love supporting women, period. So this was created by Marianna of Life With Me. You guys may know her. She's a fashion and beauty blogger, vlogger, as well as Lauren of You and Lou. So both bloggers who created this product that is said to be amazing. So I'm excited to really try this out. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe. Let's get right into it. Let's get up close and personal for this. Comes in this foil like tube. I actually really do like this. I feel like it's easy to carry with you. I love that I can squeeze and see how much I'm squeezing out. I'm just gonna squeeze out this much. I don't know, it looks like, I feel like this is all I'm going to need. I'm gonna apply this amount on my face. I think this should be enough for my face. Never done like a skincare video before, even though this is a primer. It doesn't like, it just has like this clean smell, like, oh, fresh out the shower, about to get dressed, look so clean, I'm ready, I'm so fly. Like, it just has like this clean, I can't explain, like, it's not like minty, but it's not. It's almost like toothpaste, but not toothpaste though. I can't explain it. It's like fresh, very fresh. I'm gonna apply a little bit extra on my under eye. And it says leave on for 10 minutes for maximum hydration. Yes, maximum hydration, yes. I can feel it. I can feel it working. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I can feel not a tingle, but like a is that even like a I can feel it literally seeping into my skin. Like, I can feel it working. What I love about it is that it's a mask that you don't have to rinse off. You can just leave it on and just chill. I think the concept behind this is that, you know, when you travel a lot, it wears down on your skin, so you can put it on while on the plane. You can put it on so your skin can hydrate while on the plane, which is a really great concept, by the way. And I think they came up with it because they travel a lot as well. So, you know, when you create something that benefits your lifestyle or whatever. I think that's great. So I've left this on for 10 minutes now, so I'm gonna wipe off my under eye because that is where I placed the extra stuff there. Wiping it off with a napkin, well, a paper towel. Same difference, right? Okay. I love this. It feels really girl! Marianna, girl, like this. It feels good. Like, I can't explain it. Like, you know when you just get that good feeling, you just can't really like put it in words. You can't really explain. You can't really like pinpoint. I can't pinpoint it, okay? I just know that it feels really good. Like, I love how it feels. Yes, girl, I love, oh my God. Oh my gosh. I like this. Okay, let me put on foundation. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation. Did my brows while waiting. Oh, I forgot to prime my eyelids. I'm gonna finish my face and be right back. My face is done. This feels really good. I really like it thus far. I don't feel weird. It meshed with the foundation perfectly. Remember when I tried the Milk Makeup Blur Stick? And I was like, oh no. I tried it with the Maybelline, one of the Maybelline foundations. I tried it with the Maybelline foundation. I just did not like how, I didn't like how the Blur Stick made the foundation feel. I didn't like how it made the foundation feel oily. But I love how this Summer Fridays jet lag mask really meshes with the foundation. It does not hinder the foundation. It helps it. It's very, wow. I really like this. And wow. So far, so good. I really do love this. Changed out my shirt, but OMG! Do you see this face? Marianna and Lauren, you guys killed it. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, here's the thing. It's been really hard for me to find another primer that's as good as Fenty or even better, or even, you know, whatever. It's been really hard for me to find another primer that I like. So I've only been using Fenty Beauty Primer. But I think I found the primer that I think I found the second primer. Finally, it's taken so long. Like, I've tried others and I did not like them. But this Summer Fridays is so good. Like, I'm in love. I've had this on for 3 hours now. Not even. I've had this on for like 3.5 hours now, and I'm like completely in love. I'm very impressed by this. And the fact that it can be a mask as well, like, it's so easy and it's so great for the girl on the go. Like, I don't like to have to do too much. I'm not a big mask girl. Like, I'm not against masks. I like masks. I just don't use them like that because I don't feel like sitting around masking. So I love that I can do this on the go. You know, I love that I don't have to rinse it off. I love that I can just wear it on its own. You know, I don't need to put makeup on top of it. I could just wear it on its own. This is, wow. You guys did that for real. I'm very impressed. It is now 9:30. I put this on at 6:30. Look, this is, okay, yes, I'm shiny, but it's been what, 12 plus 3, 15. It's been 15 hours. So what do you expect? I have oily skin. But I think this is amazing. I think this is great. I didn't mean to leave it on for this long. I got caught up and I forgot that I had makeup on. This really, I love it. I love that now I have a second primer. Yay! I have a second primer. Finally, I only used Fenty. Now I have Fenty and Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Awesome. I think this is great. I'm so proud of Marianna and Lauren. I think they're doing an amazing job with this creation. And I'm excited to see what else Summer Fridays comes out with. You know, I know this is only the beginning. So I'm very excited for this. It's so comfortable. I'm excited to wear it. It's so cool to wear a primer that works on your skin while you have makeup over it, while you're on the go. Like, I love, the best part. That's the best part. I love stuff that like works on the go. That's so important to me because Lord knows I do not care to sit and wait for something to work. I could care less. No. So this is amazing. Yes. I'm excited for the future of Summer Fridays. I can't wait to see what's in store. Thank you so very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you. God loves you. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you check my other videos right over here. Thank you so very much. Bye.